For many of us, the problem of oxygen availability has hit too close to home. So how do we solve this problem at scale? We have set up a multidisciplinary team of engineers, innovators, doctors, hackers, companies, makerspaces and labs from around the world to indigenize building oxygen concentrators in India. It started with OxyKit, an open source design from the US, and for the last week we have been working on indigenizing this design with locally sourced parts as well as modifying it to work in Indian environmental conditions. We are the M19 Collective. In this past week, we went from nothing in our hands to having several oxygen concentrator prototypes being built around the country by labs in this collective. While sharing our knowledge, mistakes and learning along the way, which accelerated the development process unlike anything I've seen before. I'm Vijay, a mechatronics engineer and founder of Fractalworks, a 3D printing company based in India. I have been designing and building 3D printers for the last 8 years. I've also been involved with the global open source community and have been building projects and sharing them across the world. I'm contributing my experience in building mechatronic systems, process engineering and documentation to the M19 Collective to make sure that whatever we are prototyping can be scaled up with the best of the industry practices for manufacturing and quality. I chose to join the M19 Collective because this ecosystem we are building is essential for scaling up across the country. No one organization can do this alone, but together we can. As the process parameters of the prototype are being dialed in, a breakout team from within the community is building detailed documentation with the goal to ensure that labs, companies and makerspaces from around the country can scale up their local manufacturing at the same time. This is collective intelligence with distributed manufacturing. By having manufacturers produce locally, we aren't just going to supply oxygen concentrators to patients in their locality, but also help with installation, maintenance and support, which is essential for devices like this. Thus, the goal of the M19 Collective is to holistically cover all the bases from development, documentation, supply chain, manufacturing, as well as service and support at the last mile. So how do we solve the oxygen problem in India? We do it together. If you think you can help, बनाना शुरू करो.